Hello friends, welcome to our channel MNP Guru. The Finance Ministry has allowed 29 insurance companies and 9 securities entities to collect Aadhaar for the purpose of KYC, that is knowing your customer. It is a move aimed at checking money laundering and routing investment into shell companies. We will know this news in detail, so let's start the video. Friends, if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, do subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the upcoming videos on this channel. First, let us see what is KYC. KYC means know your customer. It is a document which states your identity and address. Example of such documents are passport, voter identity card, driving license, Aadhaar card, Manrega card and PAN card. These are the documents which is used for your KYC verification. The government has allowed insurance companies and security related entities to use Aadhaar authentication services under Aadhaar Act with necessary standard security and privacy measures, which will help these entities to perform in real time, do eKYC, and would also reduce the cost of transaction. This would also be beneficial to the customers or the investors, especially the small and retail investors, as they need not submit physical papers or documents for KYC. This move is also aimed at checking laundering of funds into insurance companies and shell companies. Also, the use of Aadhaar authentication service by these entities is voluntary, and if an investor gives permanent account number, that is PAN, he or she does not need to go for Aadhaar authentication. Okay. The 9 stock or securities entities who have got the permission to use it are the BSC, the NSDL, the Central Depository Services India Limited, CDSL Ventures, NSDL Database, NSC Data, and Analytics, CMS Investors, Computer Age Management Services, and Link in Time India Private Limited. And also the 29 insurance companies who have got the permission are like Bajaj Allianz, Bharti AXA, Exide Life Insurance, HDFC Life, etc. etc. You can see the names of all the 29 insurance companies here. You can also check it on the website of IRDA. So this is an important step so that to buy insurance and also to invest in securities market next time will be easy for everybody. It will be the cost of transaction will also reduce. It will be also quite comfortable for a retail investor or a small investor to invest in these entities. So I hope you've got the information. Like the video, don't forget to press the bell icon, and also please share this video. Until next video, have a nice day, keep smiling.